Meet Larry. He's a pretty nice guy, but sometimes he's careless, and he likes to take shortcuts. Today, he has forgotten something very important: the daily maintenance checks. For proper checks, the machine should be parked on a level surface with the attachment sitting on the ground. The operator can easily check the hydraulic oil level by looking at the tube on the left side of the engine compartment. The oil level should be between the two arrows. Opening the hood provides access to the periodic maintenance chart. This information is also contained in the operator's manual. The chart includes a graphic showing the location of the lubrication points. The engine coolant level can be seen by looking at the marks on the recovery tank. If necessary, coolant can be added to the recovery tank. Do not remove the radiator cap to check the coolant level. With the hood open, the operator can check the engine oil level with the dipstick. Pull the dipstick out and wipe the oil off with a clean rag. Reinsert the dipstick and then pull it back out. The level should be between the add and full lines. If necessary, oil can be added through this access cap. Further forward, on the left side, is the hydraulic reservoir. If necessary, hydraulic oil can be added through the fill with the orange lid. Above the hydraulic oil fill is the air cleaner element. Access to the element is gained by removing the left side panel. On the right side of the air cleaner is the dust unloading valve. This should be opened daily to remove accumulated dirt, and more often in dusty conditions. Forward of the air cleaner is the windshield washer fluid tank for units equipped with a cab. If fuel is required, the fill location is conveniently located on the right rear of the compartment. At the rear of the unit, make sure the grill is free of debris. A clogged radiator or cooler will cause components to run hot and reduce life. When doing your daily checks, look around the machine for electrical, mechanical, or structural damage, missing bolts, excessive wear, or anything that might cause a failure at a critical moment. On compact track loaders, the track sag on both tracks should be checked weekly. During this procedure, be sure not to place your body under the machine or components. Sag is adjusted by using a grease gun on a fitting found behind the side cover on each undercarriage. For details on the adjustment procedures, refer to the operator's manual. On skid steers, check for loose or missing wheel hardware. Make sure the tires are properly inflated to help maintain stability and ease of handling. For service work, if the boom must be raised, disconnect the attachment. Raise the boom and engage the boom lock. Lower the boom onto the lock. This will prevent accidental lowering. A clean operator station goes a long way in promoting safe operation. Be sure to keep things clear of the pedals. Also, with cab-equipped machines, be sure to take a moment to clean the glass so you can see where you're going and who is around you. This concludes the pre-start inspection and daily service of the machine.